Here I have Motorola Moto G52, and today I'm going to show you how to take a burst shot or a series of photos on this device. So to do this, first let's open camera, and when you're in camera, what you have to do is to just hold down shutter button, and after that the burst shot will start. So let me show you. I hold down it and like move my phone to capture something, and here we can review all these shots. As you can see, I move so damn fast. So yeah, and that's how it's done. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.